Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us face when dealing with our electronic devices. The problem we'll be addressing is when your computer or smartphone freezes suddenly, leaving you frustrated and unsure what to do next. It's one of those annoying situations that can happen at the most inconvenient times, like when you're in the middle of an important task or trying to beat your high score in a game. But fear not, because we've got a solution that can help you out when this problem arises. So let's get right into it. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky freezing problem. The solution lies in force quitting the app or program that's causing the issue. By force quitting, you essentially close the unresponsive application, allowing your device to regain its functionality and responsiveness. On a Mac, you can force quit an app by pressing Command plus Option plus Escape, which will bring up the Force Quit Applications window. From there, you can select the frozen app and choose to force quit it. On a Windows PC, you can press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete to bring up the Task Manager, where you can then select the unresponsive app and choose to end the task. This solution may seem simple, but it can work wonders in getting your device back on track. In summary, encountering a freezing issue on your device can be a real headache. But with the solution of force quitting the troublesome app, you can quickly regain control and continue with your tasks uninterrupted. Remember, when in doubt, force quit it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave us a comment with your own funny freezing stories. Thanks for watching, and happy computing!